We will continue our Microsoft Excel learning. Today, we will explain how to insert a 3D map. We have a sheet with a table containing some Arab cities. These are the sales values in these cities. And this sheet has some Arab countries and their sales values. We shade the table of Arab cities like this. Then, click on Insert, then 3D Map. Next, open 3D Maps. The map will be displayed in the way you see it now. Here is a list of fields that can be displayed on the map. These fields are included in the tables of both sheets. The first one contains cities and sales, and the second one contains countries and sales. You can choose the data by clicking here or in the layer menu. By clicking on Add Field in the Location field, we choose the city. Once the city is selected, it will appear in the list, which will be different if the country is chosen instead of the city. Notice here the display of points for each city. Click on Height, then Add Field, then Sales. Sales for each city will be displayed like this. And this display is according to the default selection and can be changed. For example, by clicking here, sales will be displayed in the form of circles. Sales will be displayed in a gradient color according to the sales values. Notice here the color variation from one city to another. You can zoom in or out using the mouse or by clicking here. And you can rotate the map using these arrows. By clicking here to highlight all the countries according to sales. A message will appear to apply this selection to countries and regions, not cities. By clicking on this percentage, the correspondence between city names in Arabic and English will appear. Review them carefully, and when finished, click OK. And the possibility to choose the display of sales for all countries or regions. Click on Remove Field for cities from the location. Then click on Add Field, then choose the country. Notice the default selection for the country, click Add Field, then Sales. Then click on this option for the sales display method. Sales will be displayed with a gradual coloring of countries based on sales values. And you can change the size of the gradient color display like this. By clicking on layer options to change the colors. For example, we change the color for sales like this. The color will be displayed gradually according to the sales values. And from here, you can change the transparency of the color. And from here, you can change the color scale. By clicking on Category, then Add Field, then Sales. A color will be displayed for each sales value. By clicking on any color like this, you can change this color from here. By clicking on Delete from Categories, the display will return to a gradual color for each country based on sales. By clicking here to show or hide the right menu, and clicking here to show or hide the left menu. By clicking on Map Labels, the names of the countries will be displayed on the map. By clicking on Flat Map, the map will be displayed flat, not three-dimensional. By clicking on it again, the 3D map will appear. By clicking here to insert a chart, according to the color that has been chosen, it will display each country and its sales values. If the color is changed, it will be reflected in the chart, in addition to the other places on the map. The size can be changed by dragging the edges like this. Also, by clicking and dragging to change its position like this. By clicking here to change the color scheme of the map. By clicking on Create Video. And here for the video quality options. After selecting the quality, click Create, then choose its location on the computer. Note the video extension is MP4, click Save after finishing. By clicking on Play Tour, it will be displayed like this. To exit, press Escape. By clicking on text box. Write, for example, company sales, in the title. Choose the desired text format. After finishing, click Create. It can be resized and moved like this. By clicking on Capture Screen and returning to the Excel file. Right-click and paste. The map image will appear like this. Zoom in a bit for clarification. The map appears with the title and the created chart, as well as the gradual color according to the sales values. If you like this video, click like, share and subscribe to get the new videos. And visit us at Fairs Solution. Thank you and have a nice day.